The killing of a queen. They have already killed this poor girl, or in the process of doing so. Nope, her legs are still moving, so they're still trying to kill her. I just sold the queen out of this colony the 6th of September. That should be the replacement queen, so I guess we'll be merging this one with another colony. They are definitely have already balled and tried to kill her and sting her. Tell you what I'm going to do, I'm going to pause the video, take her off, set her on this hive next to a lid and see what we got. Well, there she is, folks. Hopefully you can see a good picture of her. They have already stung this poor girl, overheated her, killed her, chewed at her wings. She's still got a little bit of life left in her, but not much. Her tongue's already sticking out. I don't know if you can see it that well. Maybe you can with the back of my hand. You can see her tongue sticking out. She's dead. So that's the killing of the queen. I don't understand why, because it's the only queen. I went through the whole box. Took all the frames out, looked at every frame, looked at the side walls, the bottom board, could not find the queen, if there was another one. So I will combine this one with a piece of newspaper to another colony, and I will donate this one to Paul, the half-naked beekeeper, and his 99 queen swarm lure. At least that's what he calls it. I don't know what all's in it, but it works. Guys, thanks for watching.